If you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in the game are configured correctly. Go to the Options menu, navigate to the audio settings, and confirm that voice chat is enabled and the correct input/output devices are selected. Step 2. Verify system settings. Check your system's audio settings to make sure that the microphone and speakers are functioning properly. On Windows, right-click the sound icon in the taskbar, select Sounds, and ensure the correct devices are set as default. Step 3. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer or use Windows Update to check for and install the latest audio drivers. Step 4. Check network connection. A poor network connection can affect voice chat functionality. Test your internet speed and stability and consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 5. Restart the game and system. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve technical issues. Close Elden Ring, restart your gaming system or PC, and then relaunch the game to see if the voice chat works. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the voice chat issues in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or the game's support page for further assistance.